In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to horizontal and vertical scroll in Figma. Scrolling in Figma prototypes is all about creating a small window called a frame that shows a portion of a larger layout, and then letting viewers drag to see the rest. To get started, open your design so you can work directly on the screen or component you want to make scrollable. Place your content inside a frame that's smaller than the content itself. Think of the frame as the viewport. It defines what's visible at any moment. If your content is, say, a long list or a wide gallery, the frame should be narrower or shorter than that list or gallery. This size difference is what enables scrolling. Next, resize the frame to the exact visible area you want people to see in the prototype. This is your on-screen window, so set its width and height to match your desired viewing region. With the frame selected, look over to the design panel and check Clip Content. This option hides anything that extends outside the frame's bounds, which means your overflowing items won't show until the user scrolls to reveal them. Without clipping, everything would spill out, and there'd be nothing to scroll. For horizontal scrolling, select the same frame and switch to the prototype panel. Under the overflow setting, choose horizontal. This tells Figma that users should be able to drag left and right within that frame to explore the hidden content. Click the play button to open the prototype preview and see the scrolling in action. In the preview, hover over the frame and drag sideways. If the content is wider than the frame, you will feel that horizontal movement immediately. For vertical scrolling, again select the frame and go to the prototype panel. Under Overflow, choose vertical if you only need up and down movement, or both directions if your content extends in both width and height. This is handy for things like interactive maps or large boards where users can pan in any direction. Click the play button to test it. In the preview, drag within the frame to move through the hidden parts of your layout. If scrolling doesn't work, double-check that the content truly extends beyond the frame's width for horizontal or height for vertical, and make sure you selected the frame itself, not a group or a nested layer. Small adjustments to the frame size or content can make a big difference in how smooth the interaction feels. That's it. Thanks for watching.